Hey, iPhone users! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out and need a fresh start? In this video, I'll show you the ultimate hassle-free way to factory reset your iPhone without a password. I'll guide you through the professional steps to reset your iPhone quickly and securely. Let's restore your device efficiently. Why need to factory reset iPhone without password? You may need to factory reset your iPhone without a password for several reasons. If you've forgotten your passcode, resetting is the only option. You may also want to erase your personal data before selling or giving away your iPhone. Additionally, performing a reset can help resolve software issues or glitches. Safest method: factory reset iPhone without password, iTunes, iCloud with Passixer. Passixer Unlocker for iPhone lets you disable your iPhone's passcode without entering it. It's a reliable and user-friendly tool for all iOS devices, capable of bypassing passcode requests, iCloud activation lock, decrypting iTunes backups, removing screen time passcodes, and handling MDM removal. To begin, visit the official Passixer website to download and set up the software on your computer. After the installation is finished, open the Passixer application. In the main menu, select the white passcode option and connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The Passixer software will detect your iPhone model automatically and ask you to download the required software for it. Click Start to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, take some time to review the warnings about unlocking your iPhone. When prompted, input 0000 to confirm your selection. Lastly, click Unlock to commence the unlocking procedure and patiently wait for it to finish. Free ways to factory reset iPhone without password. Method 1. Using recovery mode. To reset your iPhone, use recovery mode with iTunes. It's a quick way to restore your device. Follow these steps for iPhone X and newer models, including iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. Turn off your device, then press and hold the side button while linking to your computer. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press the volume down button while connecting to the computer. For iPhone SE 1st generation and earlier models like iPhone 6s, hold the home button while connecting to your computer. Once in recovery mode, launch Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When prompted, choose Restore and Update. Ensure you do not disconnect your device throughout the process. After it completes, restore from a backup if one is available. Your iPhone will restart and show the hello screen when finished. Method 2. Using iCloud website. To erase your iPhone remotely through iCloud, open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in, using your Apple ID and password. Select Find iPhone, then click on All Devices at the top. Pick your iPhone from the list provided and press Erase iPhone to delete all data from the device. Method 3. Using iTunes. To reset your iPhone back to the way it was when you first got it, start by plugging it into your computer with a USB cable. Open iTunes and let it recognize your iPhone. Once it shows up in iTunes, click on it and go to the Summary section. Hit Restore iPhone and keep in mind this will wipe all your data, including your passcode. Just confirm what you want to do when asked. After that, iTunes will get to work restoring your iPhone to its original settings. Once it's done, you can set it up as new or get your old stuff back from a backup. Method 4. Using hard reset. If you can't factory reset your iPhone without the password, try a hard reset instead. For most models, quickly press and release the volume up and down buttons. Then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7, hold the volume down and power buttons together. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold the power and home buttons simultaneously until it resets. Simple. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We appreciate your support.